this is why I love bags. Look, I just air it down from the back, air it up from the front, and I have all this clearance underneath. It makes working on the car so much easier. 3 grand spent just so I don't have to use jack stands. This car triggers so many people as it is. And today we're gonna be installing something that's gonna trigger so many more people. Words cannot describe how much I hate these freaking clips, man. So right now we're gonna take off my whole front bumper. We're also gonna take off the fenders because I'm not gonna tell you guys just yet, but there's gonna be something different. So we're gonna take off the fenders and I'm pretty much just gonna be driving around with no bumper, no front fenders. It's gonna look kind of badass, but hoping it doesn't rain. I'm gonna try going to a car meet tonight and I wanna see people's reactions with me pulling up with no front bumper, no fender. It should be pretty funny. Huge thank you to Auxbeam for sending out this awesome light bar. I'm gonna be putting the light bar right over here so we can take the BRZ off-road. Even though it would look kind of badass keeping it like that, I'm definitely not doing that. I'm gonna put it inside the bumper, try to hide it, but like show it at the same time. I wanna put it like behind here, underneath the crash bar. It's kind of hard to see right now, so we're gonna pull off the bumper. But I think it would be really cool if it was like right here. So in the package, Auxbeam Lighting sent out some brackets to mount up the light bar to the car, some screws, a key, and some other bracket sort of thing. They also sent out a harness with a remote. They also sent some manuals that we probably won't use. And then most important, this 22-inch light bar. Since this is the first time we're taking off the fender, we don't know exactly where the bolts are. So we're kind of just taking shit out and guessing that that's it. I think we have one more bolt left up there. And then after that, it should come right out. You guys can't see the new fenders yet. I'm holding them right now, but I'm so excited. Not impressed, dude.
No word?
No, I'm just kidding, dude. That sounds so good. All right, so I just went to go test fit the Auxbeam lighting on the crash bar, and the stock horn is in the way. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to mount it right there because it's gonna be off-centered. So what we're gonna have to do today is just mount it to the bottom. And I might remount it to the crash bar later on once I put my hella horns in. All right, so what I did is I put a tape down and I marked where the hole needs to be. So I'm gonna go with a drill bit, cut through it. I just put the light bar in and I totally forgot to take off the masking tape.
A few moments later.
We got it mounted up and we ran the wire just through the front. And Jay's gonna connect it to the battery just so... Oh dude, it is different lights. What the hell? Oh shit!
It is different.
You can turn it into different lights, dude. I didn't even know that. Oh shit! Dude, that is so bright.
Watch the bumper, man.
No, really though? I'm kind of going like blind looking at the lights. Dude, I'm like so blind from that right now. We're just gonna have to connect these to the battery. This is the ground, right?
Yep, the black is the ground and that's just...
Like I said, I don't really know anything about electrical work. That's why he's here.
Alright, so basically, positive, red is positive, black is negative.
Okay.
Basically, you don't even have to think about ground.
We're gonna try wiring it through the back just so it's not seen and it doesn't get caught in any moving parts. Moment of truth. Is it gonna work? I'm like scared to look at it. I'm like looking away so I don't blind myself again.
Don't tell me it doesn't work.
No way. Try it. Nothing. Nah, I don't think so. No, dude, wait. I found our problem. Now try it. I found the problem.
I left it on.
Alright, so the relay somehow disconnected. I don't even know how. I might have actually done it. I might have pulled the wire too hard. But yeah, basically the relay disconnected somehow and I guess that's why it's not working. So we're gonna try connecting it and try it for the 4th time. We got it working before, so... Oh, it's working. Yeah, it was the relay. Dude, who needs an intercooler when you have a light bar? Dude, honestly, I'm looking through the camera right now, and it doesn't look as bright as it really is.
Like, yo, show the difference over there, watch.
Dude, that is so... If you guys hear noises, by the way, it's this heater. Keeps us nice and cozy because in New Jersey, it's so cold. I'm sorry, my dudes, I have to blur this. I can't show you guys the new fenders just yet, but Dude, they're not even on properly and they already look sick. It's kind of dark now and we're not gonna go to the car meet. It got too late and we had a bunch of problems with wiring, and then my airlift wire came out, so my air suspension wasn't working. Just a whole bunch of problems and we couldn't go to the car meet, and geez, my voice is But before I fully lose my voice, I want to show you guys what the difference is between like no aux beam light and the aux beam light. I think it's crazy like how much of a difference it makes, and I don't think these are legal to drive with, so I'm definitely not going to be driving with these on, but this is kind of just like a little cool thing to have in my opinion. So these are the stock headlights right now, and it does have a pretty good reach. I mean, you can see pretty far. Now I turned off the lights completely, and these are just the aux beam lights. Like, this is brighter than the high beam. That's insane. And this is with the headlights as well. That is so damn bright, dude. This is with just the light bar. That's only a 22-inch light bar. That's pretty small. I know people run 24 inches, and you can even go up from 24 inches, but that's really bright. Now, obviously, once I put my bumper on and my bumper covers it up a little bit, it's gonna be a little less bright, and it's gonna be more hidden, which is what I was going for. I was going for a look where you can kind of see it, but you can't at the same time. Back home now, and this thing looks like Frankenstein, man. There's no fenders, no bumper. We're gonna be putting fenders on in the next video, hopefully, but dude, this looks so jank right now, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely loving the light bar. I can't wait to like put the bumper back on and actually have it. And you can set these to like one color to stay. I just made the setting like this for now. I apologize I sound like this. It's probably really annoying to hear. It's annoying just to hear myself talk right now, but I just wanna say that I'm really excited. Huge thank you to Auxbeam for sending out the light bar. I'm probably gonna get reamed on for this. I know a lot of you are probably cringing that I put this on, but trust me, after I do like what I plan to do, it's gonna look awesome. You guys aren't even gonna be able to tell that's on there unless I have it turned on. So yeah, right now the car is just gonna look like Frankenstein until I finish doing what I wanna do. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. And I have some huge news to tell you guys in the next vlog, and I can't wait to tell you guys, but for now, peace out.